Hi there all. So I've got my 190 here, Mercedes 190e. I haven't started for a while. I'm gonna give it a go today. Hopefully the battery, I disconnected the battery a while ago, so I can just plug it back in and start the car. So let's give it a go. Since London it's in the ULEZ zone, I haven't been able to drive the car because I actually live within ULEZ, so I had to park it up here, and it's just kind of becoming a home for the spiders. But I want to give it a start now and again. Okay. Right. Well, that was the alarm going off, and I hope it will start without any issues. I can hear the pumping, I think. It actually sounds quite smooth, and it started quite quickly. The only concern I have leaving the car standing is that the fuel that I was using, so if you leave fuel in the tank, if you use the 95, is it 95 octane? I think there's 95 and 97. If you leave 95, it appears to damage all the rubber. It damages all the fuel rubber, so the fuel lines that have rubber on them. The other one, the 97, is a lot better. But anyway, here's 190. Started nicely, it's running quite smoothly. Love to take it for a drive, but it's got no tax at the minute. I think I still have MOT on it. The soundproof thing is coming off a little bit. I need to put some glue. And this usually means there is a mouse running around and probably hiding in here during winter. But the only problem with mice is that they sometimes start chewing on all the cables, so that's something that I want to avoid, because then you don't know where the problem is. If you have a problem, you don't know where it's coming from, and it's a mouse. And since I changed the valve stencils, this car is running perfect. Oh god, so there's a spider. So I'm not really here to kill any spiders. I don't mind if they live here. Just don't like them when they go on top of me. Or the mice, for that matter. I mean, I don't really want to kill any mice. It's just the only problem is when they eat the cables. But with time things deteriorate as well, so hoses like this, they tend to deteriorate. This I can see, I actually changed this, but I can see a little bit of coolant formation here, so it might not be as good as I thought it would be. That little cover, that was cheap, it was from eBay, but it might not be that great. It might be leaking a little bit. I've also painted this, and I think I mentioned that before, but the paint I used looked really nice on this cover, but it's now sort of peeling off, so it's not very good quality cover. I'm gonna have to move that again and paint it at some point. It's not critical right now, but I did paint this one with a different type of paint, and that seems to be a lot better, because this was very corroded, kind of still is a little bit, but it's not that bad. So here it is, my Mercedes 190e. I think I'll take it out for a drive once I retax it. Maybe have to go away from the ULEZ zone here, because this ULEZ thing is just a bit ridiculous. But if it does help the environment, then great. If it's just a gimmick, so we all buy electric cars which contaminate just as much, then that's putting everybody that's got no money under a lot of pressure. Okay, so the revs now have settled.